Hello guys and good morning. Happy day 9 of Vlogmas. I actually stayed over at school last night, so I got home around 8:45 this morning and just had breakfast, showered, got ready, all that fun stuff. So now it is about 10 o'clock and I am just working on editing, but something very exciting is happening. My family might be getting a puppy, which I'm freaking out about because I've been wanting a dog since I was so young. I've always wanted a puppy and we've never had a dog. So my mom and I are actually going out to look at one of them today. So I'm so excited. I didn't show this yesterday, but my mom and I just added this garland to our railing that looks down on our living room. And I have to say it looks quite nice. My hair is finally dried and it looks like a poodle. So I'm gonna try and do something to it because this is not working for me. My hair is all done now. I just basically did like really loose curls, so it's like more of like beachy waves. And then I also just put it in like a half up top knot, which I think looks cute. It's about 1 o'clock now. I had a protein bar and banana for lunch because that's my go-to lunch. And my parents are home now and I'm just waiting to leave to go to the dog kennel to look at the dogs. We're here!
I never knew girls would get me in so much trouble.
We are here.
I wasn't even born.
I know! Look at them!
Oh, you're killing me.
Hello!
You're killing me. Both of you are killing me.
Look at this one.
Oh,
It's a Boston Terrier.
oh, look at
These
them.
are English Bulldog.
The pug looks scared.
I'm scared.
Peekapom. A peekapom, what is that?
It's a Pomeranian and something else. Hello! Hello!
Someone worth defending. I'm Jim Malone.
So did you send a picture to Brad already?
Call Jim Malone.
Hello, little one. Hello. She is just the most precious thing. Look at how little she is. She's so small. Guess who has a visitor?
She's not here anymore.
Are you not allowed to have dogs in here? This is her first time in Wegmans. You know you're from Buffalo when you bring your puppy straight from the kennel to Wegmans.
3 to 12.
She is now around my neck.
Mm-hmm.
She's going under you.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep.
It's in here, finished dinner. We're watching The Grinch now. Such a classic. There's Coco over there. Ryan brought her a toy. He also bought her treats. What a great BF. We're in the dining room right now. We're just playing with Coco.
She's like, no, give me that. Hey, you're so innocent looking, but you're a little devil.
Oh, just your plop. Are we having fun? Yeah? She's like, what's this? Camera. I'm vlogging from my phone right now because I'm filming with my vlog camera, but Ryan and I are making a gingerbread house right now. So that's just what we're up to. And I put on my very festive, ugly Christmas sweater because what better time, right? This video is gonna go live sometime next week. He's hard at work. And yeah. That's what's poppin'. It's the next day now, but I just wanted to end the vlog and say that today was such an amazing and special day, and I can't believe we got this little peanut. She is so perfect, and I love her so much, and I'm just so thankful. Really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's surprising you as much as surprising me because I was not expecting this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye! Say bye!